Hello dear Kunomailer and welcome to our new video. This time you can see how we create a slideshow. You can do this with our new magic editor. And we will show you how you can have a slideshow play automatically. Just like this email example. So let's get started. We create an email by going to Compose Email. First, I add a text that I wrote beforehand. You can of course write this directly into the text layer. I just typed it in beforehand so that it doesn't take so long in the example. And now I create the slideshow underneath. And for that I go to my pictures. I have uploaded pictures in the media center. You can of course do that too. Or you go to local picture in the magic editor and you can load pictures from your computer directly into your email. And now I choose the images for the slideshow and put them next to each other. If I don't like a picture, I can stay on the picture and change it manually, as you can see here. If I think the picture is good enough, I can click in the open space next to it and insert further pictures from my slideshow. Now I choose 4 pictures for the slideshow, and for that I go to Animation, Slideshow. I would like to create a slideshow with frames and that it will play automatically. I can choose between 2 and 30 seconds per image. If I choose this now, it will automatically create the slideshow for me. As you can see, it will play the slideshow automatically. With the left and right arrows you can go through the pictures manually. If you should now notice, oh, I'm missing a picture, I wanted to show the picture with grandma or whatever, then of course you can upload the pictures that you need to your email, and then you go to Animation, Slideshow and select the same settings. And when you click, your pictures will automatically be loaded into the slideshow and it will play again automatically if you have selected that. I am now closing the gap between slideshow and text, and I add a smiley to my text. It is important that you do this only after the slideshow, otherwise the picture will be loaded into the slideshow and it really doesn't look that nice. And the smiley should stay where it belongs, with the text. That's why I'm using the smiley now. So we always like to have a nice background. This time I'm going to gradient, to linear gradient, and I can mix the 2 colors here. I now choose yellow and green. So I have a nice fresh background and I can even make it animate by clicking on animation. And as you can see, it looks really great. It is done quickly, and so you have created a wonderful email that you can now send. And here you can see the end result again. Of course, you can design and send your own slideshow as you wish. I think Grandma Magda will be happy about this email. We hope you enjoyed this little tutorial again, and you will visit us again soon on our channel. Have a nice day and see you soon. your Kunomail team.